Hey there, what's going on? It's Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com. You could actually learn more about me over there. That's my blog. So on this video, what I want to do is I want to go over how to make money online if you are a beginner. Okay. So if you're a beginner just getting started, maybe you've been struggling a while, you're just looking to make some extra income. I'm going to go over just some things, some guidelines, I guess you would say, that will help you get to a point of making solid income. I mean, income that could absolutely become full-time income uh, relatively fast when you follow what I'm going to share with you here. Okay, so first of all, I'll say that there are many different opportunities online. There's many ways to go about it. It's not necessarily a wrong way or a right way. There are quicker ways than there are slower ways. What I'm going to share with you today is definitely a quicker way. It's a way for you to create good income within a few months by following some simple training. Okay, and so let me just go ahead and get right into it. So very first thing you want to do when you're getting started online is you want to have a mentor. You want somebody that has got the results that you want to get. It's making the money you want to make, or way more than that, right? You want to have someone that's going to guide you, that's going to show you exactly what works and allow you to go out and do it. Because if you do it the other way, if you do it without a mentor, if you go out there and you try to figure it all out on your own, I'm telling you, it's going to be painful. It's going to be painful. You're going to be frustrated. You're going to be overwhelmed. And most likely, the results you get are going to be poor, if none. I mean, you may not even get any results because you're trying to figure it out. It's just a waste of time, waste of money, and a tremendous stress on you. So I don't recommend that. But what I do recommend is getting a mentor. What I'm going to share with you today, you're going to have a mentor. You're going to have the exact training that helps people make $1,000 days routinely. Okay. Now I don't say that I'm not trying to hype anything up here. This is fact. This is fact. And when you watch the video right below, there's a link right below this video. When you watch that, you're going to see student testimonials, success stories showing you who have been mentored, who have followed the training, the exact training, their results and what they've been able to do with this training. So it's very proven. Okay, so I'm just going to go through it. So you want a mentor. When you go to that link, you're going to get access. You're going to learn how you can get access to a mentor that's been doing this for 30 years and has a proven track record, hundreds of student success testimonials, and you're going to learn how to get plugged into a success community with all these students that are having success, making $1,000 days, having $1,000 days, and sharing their experience, which is very powerful, which is very motivating, right? When you see other people having success, that definitely motivates you to want to do more. So there's that. Now, like I said at the beginning, there are a lot of different types of programs out there. There's some that start very low. They're very low, very affordable, but they pay very little. Okay, so keep that in mind. Very low, but pay very little. Minimal risk, minimal reward. Or if there is a reward, it's going to take you a very long time, the 3 to 5 year plan, to actually make a full-time income. What I'm sharing with you today is going to take you a few months, maybe 6 months, maybe even a year. But in all honesty, I believe you can do it a lot faster, especially when you follow the training. So what you really want to do, if you want to go fast, and if you're like me, you want to go fast. You don't want to take forever, 2 5-year plan, whatever. You don't want to do that. You want to earn, like many people come online because they need the money now. They don't need it 5 years from now. They need it now, So what I'm sharing with you today pays $1,000 instant commissions, okay? Instant to you. You're not waiting for the company to pay you. It is paid to you, so you have the money in your bank. You have the money ready to go and use it for whatever it is you want to use it for, right? So that's fast. That's quick income, which is great. So what you do here is you follow what's taught. you earn those $1,000 commissions. Now there are other levels, so if you cannot do the $1,000, okay, so if you can't do the starting cost, which is just over $1,000, and you get paid $1,000 over and over and over, tremendous ROI, right? Tremendous ROI. Then you can always start lower, but I highly recommend. Been doing this for just about 7 years now. You want to get positioned where you could earn income that matters, that will change your life, that will allow you to walk away from your job if you want to, that will allow you to pay off your car loan, to put towards your mortgage, to use to invest. I mean, there's all kinds of things you could do with this, right? So what we do is we use a marketing strategy that doesn't require paid ads to get results. Now, many programs require paid ads. You really want to use paid ads because they're a lower commission kind of product. And if you go out and do free strategies, it's just going to take you forever. It's going to take you so much work. There's going to be so little reward involved that's why you really want to be earning the bigger commissions. I would say 500 to 1,000 is really a sweet spot. Okay, that's really where you want to be. That's really income that can matter to you. Okay, anything below that, there are benefits to that. And I'm going to talk about that a little bit later on, but you really want to have this in your arsenal. You really want to be able to do $1,000, boom, and do that over and over. It's going to help with everything. So what we do is we teach you how to go out and make $1,000 commissions with free strategies for free, okay? Using mainly social media. So everybody can do this. Again, you follow the training that's provided to you by someone that's been doing this for 30 plus years, multimillionaire marketers, get plugged into the success community, and just do what they teach you to do. It's it, simple. So you follow the marketing strategy. Now we say to do it for free first, because if you can do it for free, then when you start doing paid advertising, that's only going to make it better, right? It's only going to enhance what you already learned. It's only going to enhance it. Whereas if you went just paid marketing and you haven't learned how to communicate with people, you haven't learned how to market, then it's not really going to be a great reward for you. It's probably going to be a waste of money, to be completely honest. Okay, so that's why we start that way. That's why we start with a big commission. So you're out there doing the work, you're going to get rewarded for that work. Stability. All right, stability. You want something that has been proven. Okay, it's got the bugs out. There's a lot of programs out there that start up, especially, I'm making this at the beginning of the year, 2019. So there's a lot of programs out there that are starting up. They're brand new. They're in pre-launch, whatever, right? My advice, and like I said, I've been doing this almost 7 years, is to stay away from those. And the reason is, it's not that they're bad people or anything like that, but new programs typically have a lot of problems. They have a lot of bugs, okay? They have a lot of things they got to figure out, and if you want to go through that, because I've gone through that in the past, not something I want to go through ever again, but if you want to go through that mess of maybe not getting paid, maybe having a website go down at an instant and not knowing what happened, that's your choice, obviously. But for me personally, I like stability. So what I'm sharing with you here has been around for 4 years, been going for 4 years strong. It is still competitive, okay? So it's not like dead. No one pays any attention to it. It's still competitive. And it's going to provide you with training and things like that to help you as well when it comes to marketing, whatever it is you want to market, okay? And then finally, just going over the strategy here, what you want to do is you want to lead with making $1,000 commissions. What this does is this puts instant money in your pocket. It makes you liquid. You get paid 100% commissions. So now you got $1,000, you could go and you could start using it for paid advertising for either this program, or maybe you want to do like a multi-level marketing program. Maybe you want to do a lower ticket online program that has maybe back-end sale, like higher ticket sales after the lower ticket, so it pays you bigger and it's more designed for paid marketing. Maybe you want to do something like that. Perhaps you want to go invest in something. Maybe you want to use it to start buying Bitcoin or cryptocurrency or something like that, you know? But there's a lot of benefits to doing it this way because it basically funds everything. Whereas the other way you do it, you get little commissions, you build it up over time, and then eventually you have enough to start doing paid marketing and so forth. The problem is many people, what happens is they go out and they try to market a low ticket, a low cost product that pays little commissions. They don't have the higher level commissions in the back. So they're putting their money in, or they're doing the work. Let's say they want to do it for free. So they're out there doing the work, doing it for free. They're getting minimal results. When they do actually get a result, you know, let's say they make, I don't know, I'll throw a number out, $25. Well, if you put in let's say you put in 8 hours of work and you get $25, and yes, maybe it's residual income, is that really going to make a lot of sense? You know, or if you go and you run a paid marketing campaign, let's say you pay $500 and you get, I don't know, 800 clicks, meaning people are going and clicking on your link. Again, if you have just a low ticket offer and you don't have anything behind it that's going to pay you more, even if you do, it's still going to take you some time to fill that thing up. So, and I speak from experience, okay? And it can work. It can work. It absolutely can. But what I've seen is typically beginners, people that are just starting or people that have been struggling, they're not ready to do paid marketing. They either don't have the money, they're too afraid to do it, they don't do it consistently enough, or they do it and they don't know how to connect with their list. They don't know how to connect with the people they're getting to come into their system. So it's kind of a waste of money. They don't really get anywhere. And they end up going in the hole and not getting anywhere. So what I'm sharing with you here is you're going to get million dollar mentoring, okay? Millionaire mentoring. That is going to teach you a strategy that you can use anywhere and everywhere. It doesn't matter if you're online, offline, you can use the strategies that are taught anywhere and everywhere. That is so powerful. Okay, you're going to be plugged into a success community with other students, other people that are having success, motivating one another, helping you out, you know. You're going to be able to earn $1,000 commissions. Now, I don't know about you, but I know the average. I haven't studied the average, but I know a lot of people, and typically they're making about $2,000 a month, maybe $2,500 a month, maybe $3,000 a month. What if you were just making one or two of these $1,000 commissions a month? That's it. What if that's all you did? Would that improve your life? I would have to think it probably would. Most families, if they just made an extra $200 a month, just an extra $200, it would improve their life, you know. So, again, it's a marketing strategy with free ads. Stability, been around a long time, over 4 years. And I went over the strategy. So that's it. That's it. If you want to start making money online as a beginner, you want to do it fast, you want to get plugged into somebody that absolutely is proven and knows exactly what to do and is willing to share that information, exactly what they do, with you, so you can be off and running. And it's just a matter of you going through the training and following along and doing what's taught. And believe me, it is very simple. Okay, so that's all I got. If you're ready to start making $1,000 commissions, right below this video is a link. Click on that link. You're going to go through this. You're going to see some testimonials from students, actual students. You're going to see some of their results, and you're going to learn more about the mentoring and everything that's involved. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you got value, and I will see you on the next one.